I think Skidmore, Owings & Merrill has always invested tremendously in research of what's coming, what's next.
Pure research coming together to create buildings that the industry has never seen before.
Just like the DeWitt Chestnut, developing that frame tube structure.
Hancock, Sears Tower, Burj Khalifa.
It's about building on something bigger.
Very unique that we, on a daily basis, we're not working with clients, but we're working with actual researchers.
Everybody was part of the team. We were moving together.
It reinforced a process for us, maybe pointed us into a direction in the future.
After we connected with the Softwood Lumber Board, we were able to partner with them and develop real deliverables that could help push the construction forward.
Oak Ridge National Lab, the University of Tennessee, we can do more of this research if we're collaborating in a much broader sense.
The UN projects an additional 2.5 billion people will live in cities by 2050.
I had no idea really how inefficient the urban grid is.
So the timber tower itself was trying to solve the problem of getting efficient urban density, but not paying a huge premium for the structure. When you look across the landscape of the city and how many buildings could be built out of timber if you could achieve 42-story, it's the vast majority.
Well thought out urban density is a good way to live for the whole planet.
What we showed is that the carbon footprint could be reduced by 65 to 75% by using timber. What we've actually found is that it makes the 42-story building possible, but it makes all of those 10 and 15 and 20-story buildings better.
We felt very privileged to have this opportunity to work on such a very unique project like this.
So much was leapfrogging even us, just trying to catch up. There's so much happening in an industry. Like in the case of the carbon fiber polymer, it's all recyclable.
You could design a building, manufacture a building, grind it back up, use it again, or have it decomposed.
And AMIE represents just one point in this progression of rapid innovation.
This technology that allows us to build without any waste is critical to our environment.
The UI Labs is a new thing. It's a kind of a nonprofit organization dedicated to partnership. What does that mean?
The process included trying to think about the city of Chicago as a place. Would a facility like this belong downtown? Is it on the kind of outskirts of the city?
It's about something much larger and more powerful, which is the ability to bring people to a place in Chicago where they can collaborate, where they can focus on problems together.
SOM was created on the idea of interdisciplinary collaboration.
The legacy that is SOM, there's one word that comes to mind, and that's innovation.
That the best result come from all the design disciplines working together.